Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to show a success message or display the messages using Alertify. So guys, like when we add the data and we save the data, that time we get a message, right? So for example, if I click on this edit, you will get, now I'm clicking on update, so you are getting a message, student updated successfully. So guys, now I don't want this method to display, I want some another method of displaying using Alertify, that will be using scripts. So let's get started with that. So let's go to Alertify bootstrap example, just click on that, and this is AlertifyJS.com. so let's click on that, and first step we will copy the link from it. So let's click on getting started. So now let's move below. Over here you can see Alertify CDN link. So first is the script called alertifymin.js. okay, so let's copy this script and let's go to our file project, this application, and now we need to paste under the script tag. So as simple, we are using view layouts thing. So let's move to our script. So inside the front end, where is your main tag? So for example, these are your jQuery, pop-ins, bootstrap where you have linked, right? So there only I am telling that to paste your Alertify links. Okay, so this is my script link for the Alertify script tag, and then let's copy the CSS. As you can see, this first alertifymin.css is there. So these are other script which you can use according to your requirement. So we are going to just show the message using how to use this. So let's copy this and get back to your code and paste below this. Done. So this is how we link the Alertify. And now guys, we are test. So let's move to components. Inside components, I want notifier. So let's click on notifier, and here you can see some demo. Okay, so now let's move to position. So I want the position thing on the top right. So you can see this where you're setting this and then you are showing the message. So for example, if I click top right, over here it's coming. Cool. So this is how I want to show. So let's copy this top right one, which is over here. Let's copy and go back to our script. So this is my Alertify script, and below this I want to add it. So let's type script and open, and let's open the JQ doc, which is document ready function, and inside this you're going to paste. So let's paste this where you will call this success message as just I am clicking on demo. So now let's refresh and check the output. Google and our website. Let's refresh. Over here you can see that demo, it's coming. Cool. So this is how you be refreshing the page, it will come. So you can see that. Now I want to set this Alertify when the messages is set. So guys, we will use some PHP code inside our jQuery to make that. So let's open PHP and close the PHP. Inside this if condition we will use, and we will call our session. So CodeIgniter session, which we are going to call, and use the get capital F then flash data function. So inside this, whatever the message you set, I am setting as status. Some guys set as message MSG. So status is a good habit to keep that. So let's keep it this, and open curly and close curly. So let's open curly over here and close the curly after this. Open PHP and close the curly brace over here and close this PHP tag. Now we have to check when this is working. When this is working, that time only this should show the message. And now here inside the demo, what you're going to show. So what is the status, whatever you're storing inside this flash data, so that time only you are going to show. So let's give PHP open is equal to and close PHP. So is equal to is a shortcut method to echo, and let's send the data. That's it. Let's give semicolon or else not required. You can directly execute this. So let's save, guys, and now when you refresh, you cannot see that Alertify thing is working now. So now let us click on edit the data and update. If I update, whatever the status is there, that time it will update. So let's remove this and click on update. You can see student updated successfully. This message is coming from your controller, right? So let me just off this one, and where is my index page? So I just don't want to show the message from here. Let's comment this, or else just remove this. We don't require now. Everything set, and now let me just show you from where that data is updating. So as you can see here, student updated successfully. This is my controller for edit and update. So whatever you do, that time the data will change. So guys, for the deleting, you can see student deleted successfully. So for this message, you can see over here. So let me just click on this delete button. I have clicked, and you can see a message that student deleted successfully. So this is how you can check with it. So guys, in this video that's it, and we will be continuing next video about how to use Sweet Alert in CodeIgniter. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.